A pandemic changed the way we look at our business approach. It posed challenges like never before, yet businesses were taught how never to shovel down. The new challenges called for new solutions as we shifted from physical to virtual demonstrations. But that led us to think, what if we wanted to take these solutions right at customers' doorstep and help them have real-time experience? Hence, the idea for Anton Paar on Wheels was born. The mobile laboratory was designed to take Anton Paar's solution to customers' doorstep amidst unprecedented situations. This mobile van is specially designed to create interactive learning environment, live demonstrations, while providing complimentary technical consultations tailored to customized needs. Anton Paar on Wheels brings state-of-the-art equipment and technology from density, viscosity and particle size analysis to rheology, surface analysis, microwave synthesis, sample preparation, polarimetry, refractive index measurement and many more. Anton Paar on Wheels is well equipped with required amenities which consist of cold storage, live telecasting and Wi-Fi facilities. The instruments in the van are also well equipped to run a customer sample on spot. It also consists of required power connections, fume hood and gas cylinders to run the instruments as per requirements. The van will travel across India, visiting industries across FMCG, pharmaceutical, academics, testing labs, chemicals, petrochemicals and many more, which will demonstrate our extensive know-how as a complete solutions provider. The mobile van will have proficiently trained technical representatives who will conduct live demonstrations. Additionally, there will also be support to the ongoing training and development of your team of associates. We are excited to schedule our visit at your doorstep. You may also book a free visit by filling the details at www.anton-paar.com/on-wheels.